Well, kids under 5 can now roll up their sleeves for a COVID-19 vaccine. The Alabama Department of Public Health expects shipments today and tomorrow, starting to administer vaccines in the days to follow. WAVE 31's Olivia Schuler joins us live now from Huntsville Hospital. Olivia, how many children does this impact now?
Marie, almost 20 million children under the age of 5 are now eligible for a Pfizer or Moderna vaccine. Now, some local health experts here say parents don't really need to be in a rush in getting their child vaccinated because the transmission rate in that age group is so low. Meanwhile, other experts say, why wait? Dr. David Kimberlin with UAB says now's the time for parents to get their young childs vaccinated. Although the risk is not as significant for young children, Dr. Kimberlin says too many children under the age of 5 have died from COVID in the last 2 years. He says, quote, why run the risk when there's plenty of new options available in keeping your child safe?
I'm not advocating going out and getting infected before you get your vaccine. I am saying, though, that if you have been like 75% of all children in the United States infected with COVID, especially during this last Omicron wave in January and into February of this year, if you then go get vaccinated, as is now recommended for 6 months of age and over, you will have maximally protected your child and done everything you can to keep them safe.
Dr. Kimberlin says making this recommendation is especially important ahead of the school year. The interval between dose 1 and dose 2 is 21 to 28 days, depending on the brand of vaccine selected, meaning if you get your child vaccinated now, they'll be fully protected before school starts back up. Now, it's important to know the other COVID-19 vaccines that are available right now are at a much higher dosage level. So once that vaccine does get administered and brought over here to North Alabama, that will be a significantly less dosage for your young child. It is completely safe and effective, according to doctors. Reporting live in Huntsville, Olivia Schuler, WAVE 31 News.
All right, thank you, Olivia. Huntsville Hospital doesn't know when it will receive shipments of the vaccine for kids 5 and under. At this time, its site doesn't show any available appointments for the youngest age group. Of course, we will update you when that changes.